Did you know you're wasting hours of your life every week cleaning inefficiently? My 17 years of experience as a professional cleaner have taught me methods that completely changed my routine. The first time I used baking soda and vinegar on a stain that seemed impossible, I was speechless when I saw it disappear in seconds. In this video, Marcella will reveal 15 cleaning tricks you've never heard of that will transform your home. From cleaning doors with fabric softener to making your jewelry shine with aluminum foil, these methods will revolutionize the way you clean. Have you ever cleaned your doors with fabric softener? If you haven't, get ready because this trick is about to change your cleaning routine. Most of us focus on cleaning windows, walls, and floors. But when was the last time you thoroughly cleaned your doors? These surfaces collect a surprising amount of dirt, hand grease, and dust without us even noticing. Fabric softener is the key to this game-changing method. Take some warm water, add a few drops of liquid soap, and the secret ingredient, a dash of fabric softener. This mixture allows the cloth to glide like a gentle caress over the door's surface, effectively trapping all the dirt. Plus, it leaves a super pleasant scent throughout the house that lasts for hours. Clean and fragrant at the same time. How wonderful! And if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear the solution for one of the biggest cleaning challenges: pet hair on sofas and upholstery. My neighbor Anna was desperate with her golden retriever who left hair everywhere. She vacuumed every day, but it seemed useless. When I showed her this trick, she couldn't believe how simple and effective it was. Using slightly dampened rubber gloves, the friction of the material creates a kind of natural magnet for the hairs. Just run the gloves over the surface and voila! The hairs stick as if by magic. Don't have rubber gloves at home? No worries, you can use a damp sponge or even a cleaning brush. The important thing is that touch of moisture so that the hairs adhere easily. These alternatives work practically the same and are perfect for those who prefer other options. Now, let's move on to a corner of the house that many avoid cleaning: the blinds. Those dust traps have a simpler solution than you might imagine. Use your vacuum cleaner with the brush attachment to clean both sides without taking them down. But here comes the upgraded version. Take an old sock, dampen it with soap and water, and put it on your hand. This way, you can clean the top and bottom of each slat simultaneously as you slide your hand between them, like a hug that traps all the dirt. And just when you think you've seen it all, here comes the solution for one of the biggest cleaning pains, literally. For baseboards and low areas that would normally force you to bend like a contortionist, I have the perfect answer. Firmly tie a cloth to the top of a broom. This makeshift tool will allow you to reach those difficult areas while maintaining a comfortable posture. Your back will thank you immensely. The magic of these 4 tricks is not only their effectiveness, but also the time they save you. With this system, you could reduce the time spent on surfaces and textiles by up to 70%. Plus, you eliminate the need to buy expensive specialized products that often don't live up to their promises. We're talking about homemade, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective solutions that will completely transform your cleaning experience. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos. Let's continue. So, we've saved you time with fabrics and surfaces. Now let's revolutionize how you clean your appliances. Traditional methods are often expensive and not very effective, but I have solutions that will transform the look of your kitchen without spending a fortune on specialized products. Did you know that olive oil can be more than just a cooking ingredient? This golden liquid has incredible properties for cleaning stainless steel surfaces. And no, I'm not kidding. Stainless steel appliances are elegant, but they have one problem. They're a magnet for fingerprints. You barely touch them and bam, they're covered in marks. It seems like they're always dirty, no matter how much you clean them. It's frustrating, isn't it? Commercial cleaners specifically for stainless steel often leave visible streaks and require constant application. They sell you special products when the solution is already in your kitchen. Let's start with an effective mixture for tough stains. Combine 3 parts white vinegar, 1 part dish soap, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The vinegar cuts through grease, the soap removes dirt, and the baking soda adds a slightly abrasive element. The application technique is crucial. Don't rub in circles. Look at your appliance and you'll notice that the steel has lines in a specific direction. Clean following those lines, never against them or in circles. This way, you avoid unsightly marks. Now for the star trick. After cleaning and drying thoroughly, apply a few drops of olive oil with a clean microfiber cloth. Spread it gently, following the lines of the steel. The surface will shine like new. It's like giving your appliance a spa treatment. The oil creates an invisible barrier that repels fingerprints for several days, reducing cleaning frequency. Once you've mastered stainless steel, let's move on to bigger challenges. Do you have a grill with burnt-on grease that seems impossible to clean? Fill the sink with a very hot water and dissolve a dishwasher tablet. Submerge the grates completely for at least an hour. The tablet is specifically designed to break down stubborn grease, even the burnt-on kind that seems permanent. Electronic devices need special attention. For keyboards and remote controls, use cotton swab slightly moistened with isopropyl alcohol. Clean between keys and buttons with precise movements. Clean small makeup brushes are perfect for removing dust from hard-to-reach places without damaging circuits. For computer and phone screens, never spray liquid directly. Apply a small amount of water and vinegar mixture, 50-50, to a clean microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen. You will remove fingerprints and smudges without the risk of moisture damage. The most impressive thing is the savings these methods represent. These homemade solutions cost up to 80% less than commercial stainless steel cleaners. Plus, they're completely natural, without the potentially harmful chemicals that many commercial cleaners contain. With these techniques, your appliances will not only be clean, but also protected. Each method builds on the previous one, taking you from basic cleaning to the most complex challenges. This way, you'll keep your kitchen spotless without overspending or exposing your family to unnecessary chemicals. Which of these methods are you going to try first? Your kitchen will thank you, and so will your wallet. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos. Let's continue. If you were surprised by what olive oil can do for your appliances, wait till you see what a simple household ingredient can do for your dishwasher. While you spend money on specialized products that promise to leave everything sparkling, there's a clear liquid in your pantry that can completely transform how this appliance works without spending almost anything. Have you noticed that sometimes, despite using the most expensive detergents, your plates and glasses come out of the dishwasher with white spots or a cloudy appearance? It's not you doing anything wrong. What happens is that hard water minerals and food residue accumulate in areas you can't even see, gradually affecting your machine's performance. The solution is white vinegar. Add half a cup to the wash cycle and watch the transformation. The acetic acid reacts with the mineral deposits, breaking them down like a small army of microscopic cleaners. Your dishes will come out sparkling, and you'll eliminate those trapped odors inside. This trick extends the life of your appliance and costs less than €1 per wash, while commercial products can cost you up to 10 times more. As for those beautiful kitchen cabinets, many people make a serious mistake. Paper towels that seem harmless act like tiny sandpaper against glossy finishes, creating invisible micro-scratches. It's like washing your new car with a scouring pad. The damage is invisible at first, but devastating over time. Always use slightly damp microfiber cloths. These trap dirt without scratching and keep the finish flawless for years. For stubborn stains, warm water with a few drops of mild soap will suffice. In the bathroom, those shower curtains with black spots have a solution. My favorite trick is to throw them in the washing machine along with an old towel. The towel acts like a soft brush during the cycle, removing mold and soap buildup. Wash it on a delicate cycle with warm water and regular detergent. A new curtain can cost between 15 and 30 euros, while this method allows you to reuse the one you already have for years. For faucets with limescale buildup, vinegar is your ally again, but in a different way. Soak a cloth, wrap it around the faucet, and let it sit for an hour. The acid dissolves the minerals as if it were a professional solvent. When you remove it, your faucet will shine like new. This simple method can extend the life of your faucets up to 3 times longer than without proper maintenance. And finally, the trick for your tarnished silver jewelry. Place aluminum foil in a container, add hot water and white vinegar and submerge your jewelry. The combination creates a chemical reaction that transfers the tarnish from the silver to the aluminum. It's like watching scientific magic in your kitchen. The silver regains its shine without rubbing or using harsh chemicals. The most impressive thing is how these home methods can extend the life of your belongings. With regular maintenance using these inexpensive techniques, many appliances and household items can last up to 3 times longer. Imagine the savings, hundreds or even thousands of euros in the long run by using ingredients you already have at home. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos. We've reached the end of our journey through these 15 revolutionary cleaning tricks. We started by talking about the ADDI system, and now you can see how it has completely changed how you think about housework. Using it can save you up to 5 hours a week, valuable time for what really matters. A tidy home is fundamental for your mental well-being, something that 75% of real estate agents agree with. They say that walking into a clean house immediately reduces feelings of stress. The best part is that you only need basic ingredients like the ones we saw to solve any problem. What trick do you already use at home? Share it in the comments and tell me what other topics you're interested in. Imagine what you'll accomplish with those extra hours. Subscribe for more tips that will make your home shine.